Hello, guys, and welcome to today's home tour with your host, Solomon. Today, I'm taking you guys to Fulshear, Texas, and we are specifically in the Cross Creek West community, one of the amazing, best communities here in Fulshear, Texas. Everything for families. We have all the best schools, the best amenities, and the best floor plan. Talking about the floor plans, today we are going to tour the village home floor plan, sponsored of course by Lennar, since Lennar owns the village builders floor plan. Now this floor plan here is called the Kimball. It's called the Kimball. It's a 4 beds, 3 baths, 1 story. Guys, very surprising things about this floor plan right here. It almost feels like there's 2 homes combined in one. You know how when you go to these homes and you see the mother-in-law's suite. Now, one thing the village builders have done with this floor plan is that they use that in-law suite bedroom. They transform it to a pretty much a single house. You'll see when you tour this home. So there is a living room, there is a bedroom, and there is a bathroom just in that one corner. And it also has its own outside door. So you can literally use that as, to rent it out if you wanted to. So anyway, I can't wait for you guys to check this out. But before we do, let me just do a little, very quick introduction. My name is Solomon Sage. I'm a local real estate agent here in Houston, Texas. I serve all the Houston areas and all the suburbs. So if you're out there and you're thinking about relocating to Houston, Texas, do not hesitate to reach out. My contact information will be in the description below, and my team and I will be more than happy to help you make a smooth move to Houston, Texas. But if you're also out there, you already live in Houston, Texas, and you're thinking about buying another home, you're thinking about selling your home, you're thinking about renting or anything real estate related, I'm your guy. Do not hesitate to contact me. I will be happy to help you out. All right, without further ado, let's go check out this amazing floor plan called the Kimball by Village Builder. Let's go.